Hidden in the Golden Gate National Park amongst tall grass is the Klerks Vly farmstead, and built in the late 18th century, the house at Klerks Vly took 4 years to construct using locally quarried sandstone. The front entrance doors are marked with inscriptions that date back to 1884, while the fireplace bears the names of the original owner and his second wife. This house became a part of history when a significant treaty was signed on its veranda during the Boer War. It survived the war, possibly due to a portrait of Queen Victoria found inside.
We found this amazing abandoned little house just outside of Clarens, and we think we need to explore this a little bit. So let's have a look inside. This is so cool.
These steps are the best ever.
The sandstone, eh? Yes, the wood floor, eh?
Wow. I love these older houses with the raised ceilings. They're the massive illusion of space. And these windows, they're amazing.
They have these huge windows.
Absolutely amazing. I wonder what walks through here. Like animals. This is everywhere.
Yeah.
That's rotted. In 1927, the property changed hands, but in 1943, a cyclone caused significant damage, collapsing the gable walls. These were rebuilt the following year, though some parts of the structure were never restored.
It's amazing fireplace, eh?
I love how they built all the houses so huge, and there's like no structure. It's just like a room that goes into a room that goes into a room. Oh, what's in there? What's in there? What's in there?
It's amazing.
And I always thought people back in the day were like giants.
It does, eh? This is an amazing house, eh? But these windows, massive windows. Yeah. I think it's a kitchen. It's amazing, the ceiling.
How do you get to the top where those doors are? Or is that going to be the entrance into?
There has to be steps or something there.
Or that storage area and you do a ladder and you have
Yeah.
to climb up and open the door from the outside.
What's in here? Just like a bedroom. Swallows. You can hear them outside.
Oh, and like all these birds obviously fell in there and got stuck. Maybe we should close it.
It's all swallows. Shame. Yes, but this place is amazing. The ceilings are cool.
Do you see how nice this ceiling looks like? Look how nice that still looks.
That wood ceiling, yes, that's good condition, eh? And every house, the trimming on the side of the wall is different, eh?
There's still those houses where you can have like those trap doors, stash things under the house.
Find some treasure. There's a massive room.
What was that room here? Just another room.
Yeah, just another room.
So you can have any room in the kitchen.
This front door is amazing.
Yeah.
This place,
Yeah.
from
Very
the
cool.
road, it doesn't look this big. It should be huge.
Mm.
But I love this arch.
It's
It's
like,
amazing place.
what's this? Just another room.
Just another room.
It's so weird. Like all the rooms are the same. They just. So I say no structure. It's like
Yeah.
lounge, room.
Yeah. When it's all open.
6
connected.
rooms. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
There's some window. You have a half round on top of this one square. This place is cool.
Yeah.
Really cool. This is awesome.
I just wonder. There's a lot of animal down, so.
You see it now?
Like there's no built-in cupboards anywhere except in here, and I saw one over here. And like this.
I wonder how you get upstairs.
Let's go outside and take a look. There's my love, there's a weird door entrance here on the outside.
That's like an outbuilding. But yeah, you have to wonder who lived here.
No stairs, it's just the floor. If I fall, you really catch me.
Just another room.
Just another room. So I wonder how you get to the top.
But I wonder, can you get to the top? Yeah.
Large doors, rusted.
Yeah, let's go have a look. Yeah, it does smell good, eh? Yeah, it's like a garage.
This is a garage.
I can see the doors lying on the floor, on the ground.
Look at the way it's built.
It's cool.
By the early 1980s, the house had fallen into disrepair, its once prominent place in history fading over time.
But there has to be a way to get up there.
They had ladders,
Mm.
and that's just storage stuff.
Yeah, because there's no way to enter it from the inside.
Nothing whatsoever. And they would store whatever, and then just open it when they needed it.
Yeah.
I've only ever seen it in movies.
Mm. The latches also shows that it opens from the outside.
That's true. Yeah, it works with me. Your blackjacks.
Mm-hmm.
You can open them.
You must just watch for ticks, eh? Oh, this is nice. I want to see what this little sandstone building is.
Oh, there's one in front of us.
Yeah.
Wow, it's very far away from the main house.
Yeah, of course the main house sits there. Water tower not in use anymore. Hmm? Yeah. Now we can get there. Yes, tall grass there.
The grass is falling.
That's cool. So nice.
I have no idea what this could be. Both the properties are just full of manure. I wonder if the
So
horses,
all the horses
wild
and
horses.
there must be like cows also.
Wow, it smells like a farm.
This is cool.
Very, very cool.
I love sandstone buildings.
It's definitely something else. And it's also very, very cool to
I feel the difference in temperature inside and outside.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Sounded like something from Jurassic Park. Yeah.